How to add buying power on Robinhood. In this video, I'll show you how to add buying power on Robinhood so you can start investing right away. First, make sure you have downloaded Robinhood on your phone. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Now make sure to log in to your account. After you log into your account, you can see this account icon on the bottom right corner. Click on this person icon. After that, it will show you your account settings. Now tap on transfer, or you can also click on search bar and search for transfer. Now click on this transfer your accounts in and to transfer money. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount that you want to add. This will increase your buying power. So this is how you can add buying power on Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.